Who's that distinctively long and low-slung dog with short, powerful legs, an impossibly long body, and a personality that's pure dynamite? The one affectionately known as the sausage dog, but whose courage and tenacity belie their comical shape? Yes, we're talking about the utterly charming, the surprisingly fierce, the one and only Dachshund, often seen as just cute lapdogs. Is that the full story of this pint-sized powerhouse? Or is there a bold, intelligent, and sometimes stubborn hunter packed into that elongated frame? Today we're diving into the world of the Dachshund to uncover why they are so much more than just a funny shape, and why they've charmed their way into countless homes and hearts worldwide. Stick with me. Part 1: Fun Facts. From badger hunters to beloved buddies, narrator the Dachshund's history is incredibly fascinating and directly relates to their unique appearance. Originating in Germany hundreds of years ago, their name literally means badger dog. Dachs eine Badger. Hund aller Dog were specifically bred to hunt badgers as well as foxes and other burrowing animals. Their long, low bodies allowed them to tunnel into dens, and their courageous, terrier-like spirit meant they weren't afraid to face down formidable prey underground. Over centuries, they were developed in various sizes and coat types, smooth, long-haired, wire-haired, to adapt to different terrains and hunting needs. Despite their hunting prowess, their charming personality quickly made them popular companions, especially in royal courts. Today, while still capable hunters, they are primarily cherished family pets, proving that you can take the dog out of the hunt, but you can't take the hunt out of the dog's spirit. Part 2: Characteristics. The brave, playful, and sometimes stubborn individualist. A Dachshund's defining characteristics are their brave, confident, and often stubborn personality. They possess a true big dog attitude and a small body, fearless, intelligent, and surprisingly tenacious. They are incredibly playful and enjoy being the center of attention, often charming their way into mischief. With their families, Dachshunds are deeply loyal and affectionate, loving to snuggle and be close. They are known for their strong desire to burrow, often seeking out blankets, pillows, or even clothing to tunnel into. While generally good with children and other pets when properly socialized, their strong prey drive means they might chase smaller animals. Their intelligence makes them trainable, but their independent and sometimes stubborn streak means consistency and positive reinforcement are absolutely essential. They can also be quite vocal, making them good little watchdogs. Part 3: Essential Care. The Dachshund Owner's Guide to a Long and Healthy Life. Caring for a Dachshund involves understanding their specific needs, especially concerning their unique body shape. Spinal Health Paramount. Due to their long backs, Dachshunds are highly prone to Intervertebral Disc Disease (IVDD), which can lead to paralysis. It's crucial to prevent jumping on and off furniture. Carry them properly, supporting their back. Use ramps, steps, and manage their weight to reduce spinal stress. Exercise moderate and safe. While energetic, their exercise should be moderate and focus on safe, low-impact activities like daily walks and controlled playtime. Avoid activities that involve excessive jumping or twisting. Diet and weight management. Dachshunds love to eat and can easily become overweight, which puts immense strain on their delicate backs. Monitor their portions carefully and feed a high-quality diet. Maintaining a healthy weight is one of the most important things you can do for their spinal health. Grooming. Coat dependent. Smooth coat, low maintenance. Weekly brushing. Long-haired. Needs daily brushing to prevent mats and tangles. Wire-haired. Requires regular brushing and occasional hand stripping or professional grooming. Training and socialization. Their intelligence and stubbornness require consistent, positive reinforcement, training from a young age. Early socialization is crucial to help them develop into well-adjusted, confident adults and manage their sometimes territorial nature. Part 4: Why do they capture hearts worldwide? So what is it about the Dachshund that has made them such beloved companions despite their health considerations and sometimes feisty attitude? It's their enormous personality, unwavering devotion, and endless entertainment. They bring boundless energy, fierce loyalty, and a surprising amount of courage to any home. They are adaptable to apartment living, as long as their exercise needs are met. And they thrive on being a cherished part of the family. A Dachshund is more than just a pet. They are a tiny bundle of love, sass, and unwavering companionship, always ready for an adventure or a deep snuggle under a blanket. Part 5. Think carefully before getting a dachshund, before you're completely smitten by their charming waddle and playful antics. Here are some honest questions to ask yourself. Are you fully aware of and prepared to manage their specific health needs, especially the risk of spinal issues IVDD? Can you commit to preventing jumping, using ramps, and maintaining a strict weight management plan? Are you prepared for a dog with an independent, sometimes stubborn personality that requires consistent training? Are you ready for a dog that loves to burrow, may be vocal, and has a strong prey drive? Are you seeking a deeply loyal, affectionate, and entertaining companion who comes in a unique long package? If your answers are a resounding yes, then you might just be ready for the incredible, lively, and utterly devoted journey of owning a dachshund. The dachshund truly proves that courage, charm, and a huge personality can come in the smallest, longest packages. They ask for dedicated care, especially for their unique backs, and consistent leadership. In return, they fill our lives with laughter, fierce loyalty, and an unbreakable bond. They aren't just pets. They are courageous companions, adorable snugglers, and truly cherished members of the family. Do you have a dachshund? What's the funniest thing your sausage dog has ever done? Or what unique quirk do they have? Share your stories and tips in the comments below. If you found this video insightful and you adore these long-bodied cuties, please give it a like, subscribe for more breed spotlights, and share it with every dog lover who needs to learn the truth about dachshunds. Until next time, stay long and stay strong.